everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavna's Beauty World. I'm Bhavna. Today we're gonna create a dark bold makeup look that if you wear a glass or if you are a regular glass wearer, you can also wear this and your makeup will be shown inside the glasses. So I'm so excited because today I'm for the first time shooting my video on my own YouTube studio, and you'll have to never see again the disgusting backgrounds in my videos. So with a very good beginning, let's start the video. To start the makeup, let's pull up the glasses and prime the face with this Nivea cream. For the base, I'm using Pond's BB cream in the shade 01 Original. I'm using this flat foundation brush to blend my BB cream. I'm setting my face with Benna Luxury powder in the shade Banana. Let's pull up the excess powder with this fluffy brush. I'm taking a bronzer from this Minister Blush and Contour palette. Do the eyebrows. If you really want to know how I create my eyebrows so precisely, you have to see my eyebrow tutorial that will link in the description box. Using this black gel liner as my eyeshadow base, and I'm applying it all over the lid from the close to lash line up to my crease. Setting this, grabbing some black eyeshadow, taking in a flat brush. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm grabbing some brown shadows and just blending outside the black shadows all over my lid. In the off camera, I'm doing my other eyes. Now I'm taking a tapered fluffy brush and grabbing that dark brown shadow and smudging in my lower lash lines. I'm taking a white eye pencil to tightline my lower lash lines. Here is the complete eye look. Now I am using Miss and Mrs. lip gloss in the shade 01 to complete this look. So here is the complete look that you can wear with glasses or without glasses as your wish. If you are a regular glass wearer like me, then this must be your dream makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside to have this kind of helpful videos in future. I post a new video on makeup tutorials, skincare and other entertainment related videos every week in my channel. We'll meet in the next week, inshallah. Tata!